Ang hirap po pag halimbawang nagkaroon ka ng excess baggage. 1 kg is equivalent to 100 dirhams. Oh my goodness. So ayan, dediretso na po tayo dyan mamaya kasi all departure gates, excess baggage cashier. Pero ang flight ko naman po is mamaya pang 10 o'clock and it's already magsi 7 pa lang naman. So okay lang, wait ko lang po ang aking CC. We're now in the gate 4. Pero dapat sa gate 2 ako Tama ba yun? Oo, yun. Nakalagay naman dito. Excess baggage cashier. And then, all departure gates. Ayan po siya. Thank you, Lord, for this day.